Assisted reproduction, in vitro fertilization. IVF, or in vitro fertilization, is the process of fertilizing the mother's eggs in a culture dish. In the culture dish, the egg is introduced to the male partner or donor's sperm and fertilization occurs. During the month of a fertile woman's menstrual cycle, hormones trigger a tiny sac within the ovary that grows and releases an egg into the fallopian tubes to await the arrival of fertile sperm. The desire to produce offspring is a natural instinct, but there may be many reasons why natural conception does not occur. It begins with the woman having in vitro fertilization, or IVF treatment, being given a combination of special reproductive hormones to induce the ovary to produce several mature fertile eggs. Approximately 36 hours later, with the guidance of an ultrasound and with the patient under light sedation, fluid containing the mature eggs is collected from the ovary using a needle. Before the insemination procedure, the sperm sample, which is provided either by the male partner or a third-party donor, is checked for quality, quantity and safety in a laboratory before being filtered for grading and washing in preparation for the procedure. The eggs are mixed with prepared samples of the male partner's sperm. The eggs and sperm are placed in an incubator set at an ideal temperature of 37 degrees Celsius for 24 hours to allow for fertilization to occur. Only one sperm will successfully penetrate each fertile egg and achieve fertilization. The fertilized cells then divide and multiply over a period of 2 to 3 days into what are now known as embryos. A healthy embryo is then transferred to the uterus through a fine flexible tube where the aim is for it to implant in the uterine lining and achieve pregnancy. If there are any remaining unused embryos, these may be frozen and stored or used for the purposes of surrogacy or donated to other women looking at having IVF treatment. This method of assisted reproduction, along with others, offer couples experiencing difficulties in achieving conception and pregnancy a chance at producing healthy babies. As female fertility decreases dramatically after the age of 35, it is recommended that couples experiencing infertility seek medical advice as soon as possible.